Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a really quick video. Don't forget about our wisdom one-liners, guys. We got to get into Proverbs 23. But we're going to talk about in this video, should you buy this dip right now? With all this news going on, with all this FUD, we don't know what's going to happen. I mean, should you buy? What's going to happen? Is it going to go back up? Is the Bitcoin bull run over? Is the crypto market bull run over? Is cryptocurrency dead? Well, we'll get into that and more in this video. First, let's start with our wisdom one-liner. Alright, so Proverbs chapter 23 verses 29. Who has woe? Who has sorrow? Who has strife? Who has complaints? Who has needless bruises? Who has bloodshot eyes? Those who linger on wine, who go to sample bowls of mixed wine. So basically what that means is don't drink, don't get drunk. I mean, it's okay to I mean, you can drink a little bit of wine, that's fine, or a little bit of alcohol if it is somewhat of a medicine. But don't get drunk, don't overdrink on it. There's nothing, God's not against drinking. What he's against is getting drunk. So be careful with that, guys, especially if you do have a alcoholic abuse problem. All right, so let's go ahead and get to Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the main guy you need to look at. Whatever Bitcoin's doing is usually what the whole market's going to do. But let's zoom in on a smaller chart or smaller time frame. So as you can see, guys, we're just testing this 23K mark just like crazy. Big time testing. We've already tested it several times. If you look, there's one, or this was testing the 24K mark. Or we're battling between the 23, 24, 23, 24, bulls, bears, what's going to happen, Well, we'll see. With this XRP news, it's definitely hurting the overall crypto market today. If you guys want to see that, I'll show you guys the different cryptos. Everything's basically in the red. Ethereum's down 10%. XRP is just smashed, hammered, over 50% down over the past 7 days. Actually, that's like the past 3 days. But man, the market's definitely looking negative right now. And here's my thoughts on why that is. So first, you have the idea that, okay, now XRP is going down. It's already been delisted from 3 different exchanges. They aren't major exchanges. Let me show them. So we knew this was going to happen. There was going to be some delistings. So the 3 different exchanges that were that XRP was delisted from were just tiny little exchanges. They weren't anything major. The 3 ones are OSL, Beaksy, and Crosstower. I've never even heard of those, nor have I used them. But what the worry is that it's going to be a big one like Coinbase or Binance, or, well, actually it wasn't even ever listed on Gemini, I don't think. No, it wasn't. So that's the big worry. And then when that happens, that's when the real market is going to see some fireworks, and you're going to see a lot of good buying opportunities. Because what happens with that is people are like, oh no, the sky's falling, we're all going to die, and they sell everything. They call it selling the baby out, or selling the baby with the bathwater. Basically what that means is the water is dirty, it's nasty, it's the bad junk, and the baby's the good stuff. But what people will do is they even flush the baby down and get rid of all their good cryptocurrencies because they're like, oh, well, it's over. No, it's not over. This isn't financial advice, but cryptocurrency is here to stay. Whether it agrees with the regulation or not, in my opinion, I believe there is a spot for cryptocurrency and blockchain, and it is needed. I mean, for 7 days to send money someone overseas, or I can just send them an email and it takes less than seconds to someone overseas, it's unacceptable to take 7 days. With the technology we have, it's ridiculous. I mean, it's faster for me to fly in an airplane, drop them off some money, than it is for me to just send them money in thin air, well, through the banks. It shouldn't be like that. So am I buying the dips? Not right now. I think there's still some more room to come down. Bitcoin and Ethereum are still on top right now. I think we still have some movement to go. So I don't think it's ready to topple. I mean, like Cardano, it's only 13 cents, but it's really not that low compared to what it was. A couple of other altcoins I've been watching, they really aren't that low relative to where they were. I mean, if you look at this, the lowest they went was 2 cents. This is back in the crash when everything was just like, it's over, guys. We're all gonna die. No, we're not all gonna die. But yeah, this is my thoughts. Am I buying the dips? I may buy some, but not right now. I'm gonna give it some more time. I already have some cryptocurrency, so I'm just gonna take with what I have and see what happens. Buy and hold along, guys. If you like this video, smash that like button. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We talk about cryptocurrencies, different news, and different things that are going on, and how to be your own banker. And yeah, thanks for tuning in, guys, and see you in the next one.